Hello, Professor Atkins. My name is Dan Wynn, and I'll be presenting my ideas on how to bring innovation to the Army, specifically 4th Infantry Division at Fort Carson, Colorado. A quick innovative overview of the Army. The United States Army is known to habitually integrate emerging technology to enhance lethality, maneuverability, and communication. These wave-top innovations started at the Industrial Revolution as the Army leveraged railroad systems to improve logistical support for troop transportation and supplies. Additionally, mass production of standard weapon systems and communications via the telegraph improved coordination and overall warfare. During World War II, the integration of motorized vehicles and aircraft altered how ground combat was conducted and birthed aerial warfare to include fighting, bombing, and reconnaissance missions. This innovation of combat created the integration and advancement development of tanks and subsequently the Manhattan Project for nuclear warfare. The Cold War integrated helicopters and advanced munitions into the arsenal, such as laser and GPS guided munitions, to enhance accuracy and improve logistics through the use of computers. Desert Storm highlighted the effectiveness of combined warfare, unmanned vehicles, and data centric decision making. As Army looks toward 2030, multi domain operations is the new methodology of approaching future conflicts. This includes the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning to find the adversary, long range hypersonic munitions to avoid detection, and drones capable of swarming an adversary. The Ivy Arc Leader Professional Development is a series of meetings, events, and discussions to create a culture envisioned by the commanding general of Fort Carson. The 4th Infantry Division Commander, Major General Doyle, has created a culture where camaraderie starts with leader's presence. Conducting collective physical training in the morning sets the tone in creating a culture of teamwork. This includes many different forms of team building events such as group physical fitness, team sports, or competition by section. Part of 4th Infantry Division vision is to have proper work-life balance. Policy Letter Number 11 has been implemented since April last year, 2024. This highlights the discouragement of using cell phones to contact soldiers after duty hours unless it has impacts to safety, life, or case-by-case emergency. The purpose of this policy letter was to ensure that soldiers would have time off away from work and dedicated to their families or themselves without distractions. Prior to this, my phone would be buzzing every night till 11 p.m. Leaders are encouraged to communicate their concerns and assist in creating innovative and adaptable solutions. General Doyle wants leaders to communicate to soldiers at all echelons about changing the culture at Fort Carson. This starts with identifying an issue and creating solutions or voicing innovative ideas to leadership for awareness and so change can occur for the better. Overall, the 4th Infantry Division fosters innovation through leadership and vision of modernization and adaptive thinking through empowerment of soldiers and leaders to experiment and advertise success across the unit, and to collaborate with internal and external enablers. My personal vision as an innovative leader: to foster an environment where soldiers can assume certain levels of risk, experiment, or explore their curiosity in potential ideas, process, or solutions to increase efficiencies at 4th Infantry Division. Meaningful change starts with creativity through collaboration and charging towards challenges. Flat and decentralized structures where soldiers are empowered to make decisions on improving their organizations. Higher leadership defines gaps, employs cross-functional teams, and the staff to facilitate innovations. Results are showcased during a solution summit where the commanding general and staff are pitched products. The overall goal of the proposed restructuring is to create cross-functional teams that can unite the staff while aligning the objectives with the commanders. To do so, the cross-functional team must be empowered, resourced, and available to direct the organization to the shared goals. The G5 plan section is responsible for foresight and the over-horizon ambitions. G3 operation is short-term and completes orders generated by G5 plans, and the G4 resources and sustains the operational demands, while the G8 apportions money and controls the budget. To create an environment where soldiers can experiment and innovate, the tone and climate should facilitate learning and development. My strategy to excite innovation at Fort Carson consists of apportioning resources for innovation, empowering soldiers to fail, learn, and develop new concepts, having leadership supporting their peers and subordinates to innovate, and most importantly, recognizing and incentivizing success. To sustain innovative momentum, Calder's 8-step model of change highlights the importance of generating short-term wins, building a guiding coalition, and instituting change. These 3 steps, in my opinion, reinforces and sustains change as the organization learns and develops.